I'm Namit. Been working at IKEA for just over 2 years. I work in IKEA business, kitchens, as well as IKEA dining. So multifaceted, many different roles. Within my journey, it's been very unique, a lot of different experiences and things I've taken away and experiences I've taken away. I did start off in dining, kind of learned the base of the business and kind of product line and what the day-to-day looked like, because our kitchens department is extremely busy, top 5 ranked in the world, and so there's quite an expectation when you get in there, the skill set you're going to have and the knowledge base you have. Moved into IKEA business just over a year ago, and we've slowly been trying to build that part of the business up, and it's been a really unique experience just because I had worked in small business before, but it's in a very different aspect and capacity. Learning moments are vast, just from learning how to deal with certain types of people to understanding actual inventory flow or how our inventory works, because it's quite different than any other store I've ever worked at before, just with the volume that we deal with. From learning how computer systems work to mastering actual kitchen design and understanding what goes into doing stuff properly, requirements for a dining room, and just understanding how lighting impacts a room and just all the facets of kind of home decor. And that's something I wouldn't have ever got without having to IKEA. In terms of trying to contribute to the success of IKEA, I personally think almost in our togetherness, one of our values, everyone does something and that everyone brings value to the table. So I like to think I do my parts of helping the team, making sure catalogs are available and inks available. In a lot of companies, you always just feel like you're another number. And in my experience with IKEA, there is value to me being here as an individual, not just my employee number. And sustainability is something that's very important to me in this day and age. It's something as a company we're very cognizant of. We have limited product runs in the sense that when we run out of wood, we're not building more of something until we have more wood to procure. That's something no other business I've ever seen really focus on the environment the way we do. Wind farms out west and just the whole 9 yards. So it really does agree with my values and who I am as a person. Everyone's really welcoming, it's really inclusive, everyone's always understanding, everyone's always looking to help. It's really unlike any workplace I've ever been at before. They say if you do what you like, you'll never work a day in your life. And I think if you find the right place, you get that experience.